Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD and many more. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 12 March 2021. So this analysis is for 12 March only. You will be seeing me again on Monday with the analysis of Monday. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that market is trading at 151.43. Okay, so this is the current market price and there is no doubt that market is trading beautifully above the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average is taking the required giving the required support to the market each and every time. And if you have watched my previous videos or yesterday's video or day before yesterday, hopefully you're in a good profit right now. Okay. But if you have missed the entry and you're looking for a fresh entry, then what should be the strategy for the day? Let me take out the pencil first. Okay, so as I mentioned on every trending video that it is not very complicated to take a position on a in a trending market. Okay, you just need to find the area of value on a trending market, enter and just relax. Okay, so right now market is trading at 151.4. It is trading in this zone. Okay, and the required support is here, the 50 moving average. So what should we do then? Okay, if you have missed the entry, then you just need to wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average to take support. That's it. Okay, just wait for the market to come down to this 50 moving average and take support. So when price will come down to the 50 moving average to take support, just observe how the price is reacting. Okay, whether the 50 moving is providing the required support to the market or not, that is important. Okay, so after hitting the 50 moving average, just see whether there is some price rejection from below or not, like this, or a bullish green candle like this. Okay, if you see that, okay, there is some price rejection from below, that means the buyers are still active and they are not allowing the market to go below the 50 moving average. In that case, just grab the pair, okay, just above the 50 moving average. Once you get the confirmation that yes, the support is still valid, okay, that is the best entry. Okay, and in case you are very excited to take an entry and you're not sure whether it will come down to the 50 moving average or not to take support, in case you see that, okay, in case it doesn't come, then what do you need to do? Okay, you just keep your eyes on the stochastic movie, stochastic RSI. After making so many videos in a day, actually, I'm confused. Extremely sorry. Anyways, actually, I need to apologize for not making professional videos. I do not have a professional background. Also, you all can see. Uh, In fact, I do not get time to edit my videos also. I simply record the videos and upload it. I even do not replay my videos. Trust me. Okay. So, in case it doesn't come to the 50 moving average to take the required support, then you just keep your eyes on stochastic RSI. Okay, right now it is an overbought zone. Okay, so let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone. So when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, just look at the position of the price. If it comes to the so when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, if the price is in 50 moving average, then it is well and good. Okay, great position. And if you see that, okay, the price is above the 50 moving average and it is not taking support, okay, like this, then just wait for the stochastic RSI to go up again. Okay, so when you see that stochastic RSI is ready to go up again, okay, then also you can go ahead and buy. You can take a small risk. Okay, so The first strategy is wait for the price to come down to the 50 moving average, take support, and when it will bounce back, grab it. Second strategy is if it doesn't come to the 50 moving average, just wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the oversold zone. When stochastic RSI will move from the oversold zone towards the upside, just grab it. So these are the two things that you need to keep your eyes on GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for 12th March 2021. So this is the simple strategy that you can follow for GBP JPY or British Pound, Japanese Yen for 12th March. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel to check the analysis of other currency pairs. So thank you so much. See ya on Monday. Good luck, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.